Sepura is a company that is always developing accessories that fit also on previous editions of radios. Right? Do you still keeping up with that?
That hasn't changed. So one thing that will be familiar to users is that we've got the same rugged accessory connector on the side of the radio. That means that people can use examples like the SRSM.
Yep.
Our water supporting speaker mic will fit directly onto the new radio. So that easier migration, but more importantly, a whole fleet of accessories available from day one. We've got a range of vehicle accessories, a car kit, and the car kit includes an external LTE antenna. So you've got the benefits of that coverage even in a vehicle where you might have issues with RF. We've got connectivity in the product to allow control, so you can use a P2T directly with the car kit as well. Battery only chargers, so for users that might take a handheld into a vehicle, they can have batteries charging as well. But we've got a high capacity and a standard capacity battery.
Okay.
Indoor use, so a really important area, especially with big fleets. So we've got multi-way battery chargers, a 12-way battery charger that can be attached to a second 12-way to create a 24-way, really compact, wall-mounted or desk-mounted charger. We've also got a 6+6. Quite different to today's product because of course the power architecture is different. However, up to 6 radios and 6 batteries simultaneously, and it's either version of the radio with the Tetra module or without, and high cap and standard batteries as well.